Hi Gastro Pals, it's Tiny Small Fry here again. Hope you're keeping safe and well. No doubt, like me, you've seen these little bags of gyoza in the supermarket, and they're nearly £5 a bag. But in truth, they're not that hard to make, and they are absolutely delicious and great to have as a little snack, a starter, or as a side in a party buffet. So it's that time of year. So let's get in the kitchen and I'll show you how easy they are to make. So we're starting off with 800 grams of fine pasta flour and 1 beaten egg. Okay, so now we're going to get it and knead it on a floured surface. I'm needing to do this now for 5 minutes to make it a nice smooth dough. Okay, so now we've got our dough nice and elastic. We're going to wrap it in cling film and pop it in the fridge for about 20 minutes. So in here we've got 60 grams of 5% fat pork mince, to which we add a crushed clove of garlic and about a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger paste and 1 finely minced spring onion, the smallest of dashes of sesame oil, and a dash of soy sauce. Now it's time to get our hands dirty. Right, so once we've got that into a nice little ball, it'll be nearly time to get our wrappers back out of the fridge. So it's probably about an hour or so since I put this in the fridge because I went off to do something else, and now it's time. We're going to roll it out as thin as we possibly can. Right, so rather than you sit here and watch me try and roll this out one-handed, I'm going to put this down and we'll come back when I've finished rolling it out. Okay, so it's almost as big as my A3 map there. So now, normally you're used to seeing me drinking out of one of these, but we're going to be using it as a dough punch. So we take our circular piece of dough that we cut with the wine glass. I'm just going to roll it a little bit that way, lift it up, and just to make it into a bit of a larger circle. There we go, that'll do us. And then we're going to Damp our finger in a little pot of water I've got over here. Just round the circle like that. I'm just going to take a little almond sized portion, must be a little bit more than that, of our filling. Spread it out a little bit. And we're just going to move that over like that. Press it down all the way around to make a nice little crescent shape that's sealed. Might need to turn it over and do it on the other side as well, just to push it home, make sure it's nice and firmly sealed. And then we're just going to pop that off to one side and we're going to do the rest. So in our frying pan we've put a little splash of sesame oil, which we're now going to coat the pan with. So this is where it's going to get really fast now, because we're going to put these into our pan, like so. Right, so we've got about 14 in there, so now we're going to fry it for about a minute, and then we're going to throw some water in, bang the lid on, and cook it for about, steam it for about 3 minutes. This is a bit more complicated than I gave it credit for. That would have been so much easier with a tripod. Okay, so now we leave that for 3 minutes. So here they are, our pork and spring onion gyozas, served with a dipping sauce of your choice. Bon appétit.